Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED strip diffusers that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Muzata LED channel system. Muzata LED channel system is a classic-style U-shaped aluminum extrusion profile housing track for strip tape light. It is designed to fit most light strips with a width less than 12 mm. The silver channel with a milky white cover not only enhances lighting visibility but also creates softer and smoother lighting effects. With easy installation, you can simply press the LED covers into the channels and cut them into specific lengths effortlessly. This LED channel system has wide applications, making it suitable for indoor or outdoor lighting decoration in various settings such as cabinets, wardrobes, mirrors, ceilings, and more. It is also perfect for decorating special occasions like weddings, parties, and festivals. The quality guarantee of this product ensures great heat dissipation and protection for the LED strips, prolonging their lifespan. Overall, Muzata LED channel system offers a clean and high-end look to your house, providing personalized choices for different lighting effects. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Muzata UNSW LED channel 10-pack. The Muzata LED channel kit offers a sleek and stylish solution for your lighting needs. Its classic design ensures that it fits most LED strips, enhancing visibility while providing a soft and smooth lighting effect. You can use this kit for various applications, from illuminating cabinets to decorating for special occasions. Installation is a breeze, as the channels allow for easy cutting and fitting, making your lighting projects hassle-free. Additionally, this durable aluminum channel effectively dissipates heat, ensuring the longevity of your LED strips while protecting them from dust and damage. At number 3, we have the Muzata 6-pack 3.3 FT V-shaped aluminum LED channel. The Muzata 6-pack 3.3 FT V-shaped aluminum LED channel comes with milky white frosted cover lens that helps spread the light more evenly from the strip lights and protect LED from dust. It is a durable, anodized, extruded aluminum channel with better heat dissipation. The LED channel is 10 mm wide and fits most light strips. The package includes 6 PCS 1 meter V-shape LED aluminum channel and 6 PCS 1 meter matching milky white lens, 12 PCS end caps, 12 PCS mounting clips, and 12 PCS screws. The LED aluminum extrusions can be joined with an extension connector for longer lighting projects. At number 2, we have the Muzata U103 waterproof LED channel. The Muzata waterproof LED channel provides a seamless lighting experience with its spotless design, ensuring soft and even illumination without visible dots. This channel is perfect for outdoor or humid areas such as bathrooms and boats, allowing you to install beautiful lighting in any environment. Installation is a breeze, as the channels easily snap together and can be cut to fit your specific needs. With a range of personalized options, you can choose the best design for your project, making it an ideal choice for various lighting decorations, from cabinets to festive events. And finally, at number 1, we have the THMOOTHER Matte White LED Strip Diffuser. The THMOOTHER LED Strip Diffuser offers a sleek and professional look for your under-cabinet lighting. Its pre-drilled design allows for easy installation, ensuring a tight and flush fit that protects the profile from scratches. The translucent cover not only shields the LED strip from dust and moisture, but also evenly distributes light with a remarkable 90% transmittance rate. Additionally, the matte white finish blends seamlessly with white walls, while the aluminum channel can be easily trimmed to fit your space. This product is perfect for enhancing your home's ambiance while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.